What are you doing, guys? Cutting, guys. Look at the duck and si Tita's scissor.
Tita.
Flying. Cut, guys. Oh, Dana's cutting, guys. Galing-galing ni Dana, guys. Oh, nagka-cutting na siya, guys. Oh, marunong siya, guys. Kinakating niya si dinosaur. Ito na yung kinakating niya, guys. Dana's follow the line lang. Guys, so ang ganda pala nito pang bata. Magpa-practice ng paper cut.
Paper cut.
Yes, paper cut.
Paper cut.
Para makapag-practice yung mga bata mag-cut-cut.
What's that, guys?
A jellyfish.
What's that, guys?
It's dinosaur.
What's that?
Yun o, mamouth na si fish.
What's that?
Ito ang pinapractice ano, napunit na. Wala na, nahiwa na yung tummy ni dinosaur. Ang dami, guys, 180 pieces. Yan.
What's that, guys? What's Dana cutting?
Ang dami, 180 pieces.